it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial using only PAC cosmetic products. PAC is one of my favorite brands out there because it's affordable. It has like amazing quality products. The products just perform so well, and it's an Indian brand, so I have a special place for it in my heart. And I'm not just going to be using their makeup products but also their makeup tools. So the sponge and the makeup brushes are also from PAC. So earlier I used to own only 3 of their products, that is their HD foundation, their setting powder, and so many of their lashes. I love their lashes, but I kind of went to the PAC store and I bought a bunch of makeup products. So yeah, if you want to see a full face of makeup using only PAC products and also mini reviews about all of these products, then please keep on watching. So I've already moisturized my skin. I don't use primer at all, so I'm going to skip that step and move ahead with foundation application. And to apply my foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite beauty blender. This is PAC Classic Beauty Blender. That is how it looks like. That is the size of it when it's dry. I'm going to show you how much it increases in size once you wet it. So can you see how big it has become? It's become almost double the size. So I'm going to be using PAC HD Liquid Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. It gives you full coverage and it is so lightweight on the skin. I'm in the shade 2.3 in this one. I also own 2 of their foundation brushes. This is PAC 231. This is a buffing brush and it works really well in blending your foundation. You can also use it as a powder brush, as a blush brush, or as a contour brush. It just works really well. And I also own their flat top brush. This is PAC 265. This works really well in applying and blending your foundation, and I absolutely love it. I also use it for powder application sometimes. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using a very hyped product by PAC. This is PAC Spotlight Concealer and it's a new buy. I haven't even tried this yet. I haven't opened it yet and I'm so excited to try it out. So I'm in the shade 04, that is Skin Peach. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using PAC Concealer Brush in 219. It's a very nice concealer brush, does the job perfectly. So I love the coverage that it has given me under my eyes. No other concealer in the affordable category provides so much of coverage to me, except for the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Let me know if you want to see a comparison between the PAC Spotlight Concealer and Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So now I'm going to set my base in place using PAC HD Translucent Powder in Banana. And for that I'm going to be using PAC 302. This is a very fluffy brush. I'm going to bake my under eyes just a little bit, and for that I'm using the same concealer brush. Meanwhile, I'm going to do my brows, and for that I'm going to be using this new launch by PAC. This is their Super Brow Cream in the shade 04 Burnt Umber. That is how it looks like, and it's quite different from the usual brow pomades that you find in the market. This is a brow cream, so it's much more creamier and much more easy to use. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using PAC 371. This is an angled eyeliner brush. And it's really thin. So look at how creamy that is. Can you see how pigmented and creamy that is? I'm using a very light hand. Can you see how dark that eyebrow looks? And it was so easy to fill it. With brow pomades, what happens is that it's a little bit waxy, so you kind of have to go in again and again. But this cream, oh my god, like it's so easy to fill in your eyebrows with it. And also it dries on your eyebrows, so there's not going to be any smudging or anything like that. Just give it like 5 minutes to dry and like you will have the perfect set of eyebrows, like super duper quick. So now that the eyebrows are done, I'm just going to dust off all of the baking. So right now my skin looks like really flawless. I love all of the base products that I've used today. If you want to see a full, complete, detailed review on all of these base products by PAC, that is their foundation, liquid concealer and their setting powder, then let me know. I would love to make a video on that. Now moving on to my favorite palette, that is eyeshadow. I'm going to be using PAC Bold with a Bold Electric Eyeshadow Palette. Let me show you. It has the most beautiful colors ever. That is how it looks like, and look at those colors, you guys. And the pigmentation is also bomb. I kind of swatched them before buying them. The pigmentation is amazing. So firstly, I'm using PAC 393. This is a blending brush, and I'm picking up that orange color and applying it as a transition color right above my crease. Now I'm using PAC 340, which is a dual-ended brush, and on one end it has this concealer cut crease kind of a brush, and on the other hand it has an eyeshadow patting brush. So I'm going to be using the eyeshadow patting brush, and I'm going to be picking up that center color, patting it all over my lid. Now I'm using the transition brush again and using a mixture of the orange and the dark orange color, and now I'm applying it to my crease to blend out all of the harsh edges. For the bottom lash line, I'm using PAC 084 brush, which is again an eyeshadow patting brush, and I'm picking up that emerald green color and just packing it on my bottom lash line. Now moving on to lashes, I got these new lashes from PAC in the number Pro 04. To apply the lashes, I'm going to be using PAC Lash Fixer. So I'm done with my eyelashes. Now moving on to the rest of the face, I'm going to be using PAC Powder Blush in the shade 022. Now this is a very beautiful shade. I have the usual pinks and peaches, but this is a very beautiful mauvey sort of a color. I absolutely love it. And to apply it, I'm going to be using PAC 263 Blush Brush. Now moving on to highlighter, I got the most hyped highlighter ever, that is PAC Baked Highlighter in the number 02. That is how it looks like. Look at how beautiful that is. To apply it, I'm going to be using PAC 131 highlighter brush. I am so excited about this product. Oh my god. Can you see that? Wow, I love this highlighter. It is the perfect amount of highlight that I would need for like any occasion, and it's not even glittery, it's not even chunky, it's not shimmery or anything of that sort. It just gives you a very beautiful glow from within kind of look, but the glow is so beaming. I'm also going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone, and for that I'm using PAC 208 pencil brush. Now finally moving on to lipstick, I got this PAC matte lipstick in the shade Peach. The packaging of this is magnetic and it's really classy. And that is how the color looks like. It's my perfect kind of peachy nude color. Now I don't have a setting spray by PAC, so I'm going to leave the look right here, and this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Look at all of the colors that are going on my face. All of these products are super pigmented. They are really high quality. They are perfect for everyday wear, for glam looks, and even for brides. PAC Cosmetics is a brand which is actually meant for bridal makeup artists, and their products are like really high quality. So yeah, that's the final look and I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, and also if you want me to create any other one brand makeup tutorials, let me know that as well in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a video out of it. And also if you want me to review any of these products individually, then I would love to do that as well. Just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's all about today's video. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.